The snow is melted and the salsas are fruity, and that can only mean one thing. It's spring shrimp taco time. Let's get cooking.
Start with 2 ripe mangoes. I never fully figured out how to cut these, but this technique of cutting in half and then cutting out the pit seems to work just fine. Then I simply separate the flesh from the fruit, dice into bite-sized pieces, et voila, chunks o' mango. Next, we'll need to dice half a red onion. Opt for a small dice here since a larger dice may overpower your mango. Add that to the bowl and it's off to our jalapeno. All the spiciness of the jalapeno is in the seeds and veins, so let's remove all of that and then once again dice it up into little pieces and add it to the party. We'll also need some cilantro. Sorry cilantro haters, this one might not be for you, or I guess you could just leave it out. Roll up about half a cup into a cigar shape and then pass your knife through it and add it to the fruit salsa party. Now we just need the juice from 1 whole lime, a pinch of kosher salt, give it a good mix, taste it for seasoning, and your salsa is ready. Pop this into the fridge while we make our crema. We've made healthy cremas before on this channel, and they always start with half a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. We'll need to add in 2 cloves of garlic, either minced or pressed, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro, the zest from 1 whole lime, the juice from said lime, and a tiny little pinch of kosher salt. Mix and taste for seasoning and set it aside to let the flavors get to know each other better. While our cutting board is out, let's prep a few other things we're gonna need to assemble our tacos. We'll need about a cup of red cabbage, roughly chopped into strips. We'll also need a 1/4 cup of grated cojita cheese for topping. All that's left to deal with now is our shrimp. I'm using 1 pound of large 21-25 shrimp. Devein if not already, and then peel off the shells. I tried to leave the tails on for decor, but some just wouldn't stay on. Pop them into a large bowl and season with 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, some fresh cracked black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon smoked paprika for some smoky goodness, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little bit of heat. Give it a good mix until everything is coated, and let's head over to our cooktop. Heat a non-stick frying pan over medium-high heat and spritz it with some non-stick cooking spray. Lay your shrimp inside once the pan is hot and allow to cook for 60 seconds or until they start to get pink on the cooking side. Like a good YouTube cook, I have my trusty chopsticks for flipping because nothing says Americanized Mexican food like Asian culture. Flip and allow to cook for another 60 seconds or until they are cooked through and fully pink. Remove your shrimp from the pan once done and wipe it out with some paper towel, making sure not to burn yourself, and place your pan back over medium-high heat. Toss a corn tortilla in the pan for about 60 seconds, flipping after 30 seconds. We want to warm these through to make them more pliable. Once you've warmed as many tortillas as you're going to need, let's go assemble some tacos. Lay down a tortilla and set up a base of red cabbage. Next, scoop a generous amount of our mango salsa, followed by a couple of shrimp and a drizzle of our cilantro lime crema. Finish it off with a little crumble of our cojita cheese. These are one of my all-time favorite tacos. They immediately bring me back to summer, especially if you can cook the shrimp on the grill, and the sweetness from the mango pairs perfectly with the tang of the yogurt crema. Try making these tacos for yourself, and if you still have snow where you are, or you aren't ready to celebrate summer just yet, check out this video right here for a simple, healthy comfort food. And until next time, get cooking.